Hello, today we're going to present Flik, a back-in-time debugger for reinforcement learning programs. Flik lets developers to move the programs both forwards and backwards, that is, revisiting statements already executed in the program. In going back, Flik lets developers to change or explore variables without stopping the program. As such, it is possible to explore different execution paths without the added overhead of having to stop, start, and retrain agents. In this video, we will show the main features of Flik using the standard grid world benchmark for RL. In our example, we use a 10x10 grid with 3 trap states, giving a reward of -1 to the agent and 1 success exit state, giving a reward of 1 to the agent.
The interaction with Flik happens through the use of commands, which users can call in the console at the bottom of the code to debug. It is possible to step through the code using the end command, executing the current line and moving to the following line. At each step, Flik records the state and the stack frame of the line executing. The values of variables are displayed upon calling them with the command p and then the name of the variable, or simply by calling the variable directly. Flik can also enable going back to a particular point in the execution by selecting the back to command using the specific line of code. This will revert the execution by restoring the save state and executing context at that line. Then the execution can resume normally from that point on. Finally, at any given point in the execution, we can change the value of a variable and continue the execution using the new value. Behind the curtain, Flik creates a new execution path, moving forward with the new values. This way, it is possible to compare the new values obtained with previous execution paths and observe if the changes induce the desired outcome on the agent's behavior.